So this is a like multiple choice questions, and in this case a tire is rolling, and as the velocity is v, and you need to find it out what is the velocity at the top of the tire. So let's see. So let's say this tire, you have a tire here, and this tire is rolling as well as moving. Okay, so this rolling motion without slipping can be thought of as a two independent motion. The one is the linear motion, which is moving in a straight line, and the other is just rolling, just the translation rotational motion. The linear motion and the rotational motion, if we combine together, then that becomes a rolling motion. So this is a translational motion. Translational motion. So in a translational motion, if an object moves, the entire object moves. The velocity at each part of each particle is the same. Okay. So if I just look all the points here, all the points here have the same velocity, which is the velocity of the, let's say, center of mass. Center of mass. And now, if the object is spinning about its axis, okay, and if I look at the circumference, it also has the same velocity. So it does have the rotational motion. In rotational motion, here if you look, it's moving in this side, and here it is moving opposite. At this point, it does have the tangential velocity. Okay. So if an object is rotating at a circumference, it does have the same the tangential speed. And like now, if we combine this together, then it becomes a rotational motion. Let's see what happens if I combine these two together. So this velocity and this velocity are in opposite. So what we will get here, it will be at rest. And this velocity and this velocity will add together. So this one will be 2v. At this point and this point, you see the one is along this direction and the other is along this direction. So the combined effect would go along this direction. In the same way here, if I just take this will be along this direction. So if you look at the top on a rolling tire, the velocity would be 2v. So the correct answer in this case is 2v.